Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on FedEx Careers. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in careers.fedex.com/fedex/login. Now press enter and now you will be taken into the Careers login portal for FedEx right away. Just type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account within the email address section and then enter your password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your FedEx Careers account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will see the forgot password option underneath the password box, which you can click on to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with FedEx Careers. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.